Hey everyone, today I will tell you how to use headset mic on Nintendo Switch. I'm going to tell you how you can do it very simply. First, make sure your headset is compatible. The Nintendo Switch supports headset with a 3.5 mm jack, which plug directly into the console. It does not support standard Bluetooth headsets unless you use an adapter. USB headsets only work when the switch is docked. If you are using a wide 3.5 mm headset, you are good to go. Now take your headset and plug it into the headphone jack at the top of the Nintendo Switch. If you are using a Switch Lite, it's in the same spot, easy. But there's more we need to do. Make sure the mic works. Most Nintendo Switch games don't have built-in voice chat. Instead, Nintendo uses a separate smartphone app called Nintendo Switch Online for games like Splatoon, Mario Kart, and Square Smash Bros. Download the Nintendo Switch Online app on your phone, then sign in with your Nintendo account. Launch the support games on your Switch and enable voice chat in the settings. Connect your headset to your phone and start chatting. If you want to chat on Discord while playing, you will need a headset splitter. This lets you hear game audio from the Switch and chat through your phone at the same time. Simply plug the splitter into the Switch, then connect your headset and phone to the splitter. Now you can talk on Discord while playing. If you are playing with the Switch in dock mode, you can use as the headset. Just plug into one of the USB ports on the dock, and it should work automatically in support games like Fortnite. If your mic isn't working, try this. Make sure your headset has a built-in mic. Check if the mic is muted or the volume is too low. Restart your Switch and reconnect the headset and test the headset on another device. See if it works. And that's it. That's how you can use headset mic on Nintendo Switch.